This is my review of the Frigidaire FRA 052XT7 5000 BTU mini window air conditioner. Got it on Amazon for about 150, something like that. It was the cheapest one I could find, had decent reviews. I think the next model up was the same thing, only had a remote, which was more expensive and it was just a waste of money in my opinion. It works like a champ. As you can see, it's very small and it cools down this whole room. It's not a big room, but it definitely does the job. My biggest complaint with it, which is a pretty big complaint, is these accordion things on the sides that are supposed to close the gap of the window are very, very cheaply made. In fact, I literally had to super glue both of them to the end of the plastic frame because they wouldn't stay. They just are a piece of crap. I can't believe they would let something like that out the door. But the unit itself works really well. It's got a lot of settings. Yeah, check it out. Totally recommend it.